Welcome back to our YouTube tutorial series. Today, we will learn how to unsubscribe from a YouTube channel on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube. Launch your web browser and navigate to youtube.com. Step 2. In the menu, click on Subscriptions. Look for the Subscriptions tab on the left-hand side of the screen and click on it. Step 3. At the top, click Manage. On the Subscriptions page, you'll see a Manage button at the top. Go ahead and click on it. Step 4. Select a channel. Scroll through your subscribed channels and choose the one you wish to unsubscribe from. Step 5. Click on Subscribed. Once you've selected the channel, you'll see a subscribed button next to its name. Click on it. Step 6. Select Unsubscribe. A prompt will appear asking if you want to unsubscribe. Confirm your decision by selecting Unsubscribe, and that's it. You have successfully unsubscribed from a YouTube channel on your PC. Remember, managing your subscriptions helps you curate your YouTube experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you next time.